Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be comparing Cachyos, Nobara, and Bazzite to see if which distro is better for you. So let's talk about the base system. Now for Cachyos, it has Arch Linux, so it's rolling, while the Nobara, it has Fedora, so it's stable rolling. And lastly is the Bazzite. So it also has the Fedora Atomic, so it's immutable. So everything or all are strong here. So these are three different foundations. So each has its philosophy. Next is we're going to be talking about the gaming optimization. So Cachyos, it has general performance focus. The Nobara is gaming patches and drivers, while the Bazzite, it is Steam Deck experience. So on this one, Bazzite is the gaming distro. That's on period. Next to that is the ease of setup. So the Cachyos, it needs Linux knowledge, while the Nobara, it works out of the box. And lastly is Bazzite, so it is pre-configured gaming. So if you want easy, then you can go for Bazzite. If you want control, then you can go for Cachyos. Next is the raw performance. For Cachyos, it has Bohr Scheduler, which is the fastest. The Nobara, it is good with gaming tweaks, while the Bazzite, it is optimized for gaming. So Cachyos squeezes every frame possible. So it's a winner on this one. Lastly is what they are best for. So Cachyos, it is best for power users and tinkerers, while the Nobara, it is best for gamers wanting Fedora, and lastly is the Bazzite, it is best for console-like gaming. So everything or all in here are strong. So it just has different strokes for different folks. But at the very end, it depends on what you need and what you want as well, and what you're comfortable with. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this comparison helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.